Looker Studio cannot connect to your data set. This is a scary sight. So let's see what happened and what we can do to fix it. So what we did within our data, we simply wanted to add a state in there. And so what that did was it knocked off all of our connection to our data, but we can fix this very quickly. We just go up to resource, we go to manage added data sources. We find our sheet, we select edit, we select edit connection, and then we just click back on reconnect. And so now our new field of state has been applied. And we can see that state is now in our metrics. We just close out of here. And now all of our campaigns are back up again. And now we can add our new column state. So that's all you have to do. You can receive our free Intro to Looker Studio ebook by subscribing and sending an email to the email address in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.